Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you my recent pickups, and as you can see there's quite a lot, so we'll get straight into it. So my first pickup isn't actually a pair of shoes, but it's this lovely little girl, Cocker Spaniel. Her name is Sushi and she's absolutely amazing. So say hi, Sushi. But just thought I'd introduce her. And now we'll get into the shoes. So first up, New Balance on the left here. I think I got them from 7 Store or straight from New Balance, but these are the New Balance Protection Pack. I think it's a 1906D, and this is the black colorway. I think this is probably the most boring one. I do actually have the other ones on the way, they just haven't arrived yet, and I've got too many pairs to do this video for, so decided to put these ones in. They're okay. I got these in a size 9, I should have gone 9.5. They're a little bit tight at the toe. Not sure if I'll be keeping these. So next on the list is obviously a Nike SB in the rainbow box. Open it up. These are the Orange Lobsters. I had these for a little while, just haven't really done a pickup video, so I haven't really included them. But I think these are absolutely incredible. These are one of my favorite releases of last year. I think these are absolutely spectacular. And I've just got a fake pair in, so I will be doing a comparison for these very soon. Next on the left side is, well, you can probably tell what it is, but it's Drake's Air Force Ones. And these are pretty much plain Air Force One. They have a few little details, like it says "Love You Forever" on the side of the sole, and then they do come with a few little accessories like these little beads here. It's not going to focus, but there you go. But they're pretty cool. Quality is really nice on them. Sizing's a little bit different, so if you're going to get these, I'd recommend going true to size, not a size or a half size down like usual Air Forces. These fit true to size, and the quality of them is very cool, but they're just a plain Air Force One in the end. Nothing special for me. Then picked up these recently, and I was undecided on these. I was browsing through the Kith website and decided to pick these up. Just saw them. I'm after the YCMC ones, and these kind of look similar, so I thought may as well check them out. And these are the Teddy Santos New Balance, and yeah, this is the colour. I actually kind of like it. I think it's very nice. Cream, beiges, and a little bit of grey. Pretty much all the colours that I wear all the time. And I like this silhouette. Yeah, really comfy. Pretty happy with these. I'll maybe wear them for a little while and see how I feel about them, and then maybe sell them. But I'm happy to have these in my collection, and I think I got them for a reduced sale price on Kith. So if you want them, check them out. Now we get into the exciting ones on the right hand side. As you can probably tell by the box, these are the Jound New Balance. I got 2 pairs, but they're different. So this is the 992 in the grey colorway, but as you can see, it's actually quite a brown colorway in my opinion. I think these are incredible. The collaboration they've done on this one is super, super nice, with the New Balance symbol in the black leather over that kind of brown suede-like material, and the quality and comfort levels on these is incredibly high, and these are going to be in maybe the top 3 of the pickups that I've got. The next one is probably #1, so we'll open that one now. So like I said, this is probably my favourite pickup of the entire lot, and I've got quite a bit of heat in this, but this one by far is my favourite. So these are the New Balance Jound 990 Olive. Wow, this colourway is incredible. This is one of my favourites ever. I absolutely love every single detail about this shoe. This is going to be a daily, if not everyday wear for me. These are spectacular. Love everything, and the quality and comfort levels on these are so good. I'd say pick these up now if you can before the price starts to go even higher. The price is pretty high right now, but I think they're just going to go higher because this is an absolute classic, and it's one of my favourite pickups, maybe of all time. So now we're on to the second last pair, back to a Nike SB box as well, and these are the eBay Dunks. And as you can see, these are a little bit different. So they have cutouts through the shoe where you can pretty much see all the way through, and these are just so wild and so different. I think these are absolutely crazy. Not sure if I'll ever wear these because they're a little bit too out there for me, but the concept and the idea behind the shoe is just absolutely nuts, and it goes all the way down to the sole. The details on this are just incredible. I've really got lost for words on this shoe. I think it's absolutely spectacular, but not something I'll wear. I think it'll be a display piece for me. And then the last pickup, well, everybody knows what this is by now. So it comes with this cool shoebox kind of cover. Take that off, and as you can see, a black Nike box, which I think looks pretty cool. It's kind of giving that stealth kind of vibe. We'll open it up. It does come with these kind of bandanas, which you wrap around each individual shoe when it was unboxing, but I've already unboxed these. Then obviously normal paper. And then these are the Travis Scott Nike Air Jordan 1 Low in the Black Phantom colorway. So what do we think of these? For me, they're alright. They're nice quality in my opinion. I like the wool on the inside and the suede-like material. The only thing I don't like is the white stitching. I think I'd prefer it if it was all black, but the white stitching kind of makes it look a little bit like school shoes to me. I'm not sure. I'll give them a go and see what they're like. It's a cool concept. I like the kind of stealth vibes, but the white stitching is just a little bit odd for me and I don't like the look of it. But let me know down below what you think of these, and out of all the pickups that I got, which one's your favourite? Other than the dog, of course, because the dog is obviously my favourite. But pairs of shoes, the olive New Balance are my favourite pair that I've picked up. But let me know down below in the comments what your favourite pair is and tell me what you picked up this month. Hope you had an amazing new year, and thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.